Thank you. Cabin crew ready for safety demonstration.
Hello and welcome on board Finnair. Before departure, we require your full attention for a moment. Our safety depends on both our crew and on you. We are here to ensure your safety on board. It's essential that you always follow the instructions given by the crew. In the event of an emergency, here are the things you need to know.
This aircraft has 8 emergency exits, 4 on each side. They are all marked with exit signs. All exits are equipped with slides, and most can be used as rafts. To find your nearest exit, follow the escape lights at floor level. Our cabin crew will now point out the exits nearest to you. Locate your nearest exit, and remember, it might be behind you. If we need to evacuate, you must leave all carry-on bags in the aircraft.